So the most controversial advent calendar on TikTok, you know, it's the PLouise 2024 Advent. And this PLouise, she knows how to break the internet. And how else are you going to do it? Their advent calendar is a train with not one, not two, but 3 carriages. And right now, we're going to unbox the full thing. This is the PLouise 2024 Advent Calendar. It's £240, but you're getting over £500 worth of product inside. And also, I don't want to hear anyone moaning. This is a spoiler alert. If you don't want to know what's in your Advent Calendar, swipe away now. But for those of you who want to get the tea on the PLouise Advent, just keep watching. Each train, so first up, number 1, we've got this golden ticket. Gorgeous highlighter palette. The PLouise highlighter formula slaps, so we know this is going to be a slay. I'm going to try and keep this as tidy as possible because I want to put it all back together when I'm done. Number 2, what have we got? Well, this Go the Distance setting spray. I love a PLouise setting spray. So this one's going to be great. Number 3, we've got a 3-pack of lashes. These bottom ones, end goal, look absolutely. Number 4, map it out. I think this is a palette of stuff. No, it's a set of lip liners. Great, you've got some reds, you've got some pinkies, you've got some nudes. This will be really nice. I love the PLouise lip liners, they're so good. So I'm excited for this one. In number 5, what have we got? Keep on track, don't let anything hold you back. We love a PLouise motivational saying. So you've got a palette. You've got a palette here that's got some cream shadows in it as well as some shimmers and mattes. And you get even more. So you've got, I think this is cream bronzers. This is like a whole face palette you can even think. Wow, I love the idea of this. So we're now on the hunt for number 6. I think I see number 6 here. Time of my life, airbrush primer. Airbrush primer. Number 7, we've got, oh, good old PLouise. We've got a Bad Bee juice box. This is in the shade Cinnamon Swirl. My juice box collection is out of control, but one more won't hurt, will it? And number 8, this is a long, thin one. Wonder what this could be. We've got, oh, the glitter liners. If you haven't tried PLouise's glitter liners, they're sick. I've got a video going to come on all the new shades. But more for the advent, it's even more slay. Door number 9. Box number 9, door number 9. Frozen Fix Mascara. Wow, she is coming through. How do PLouise go from having no mascara to having 4 in a year? Slay. No, she's a 10. Oh, stop it. What are these? 2 more of the lip drip lip glosses. We've got a watermelon and a cherry. So number 11 is another big box. No, this is the thing that I wanted the most. Stop. I was spoiler free, but I've seen people talking about this. You know I'm partial to a PLouise Spoil for Choice cream bronzer. But a Spoil for Choice cream bronzer palette? Oh my god, and it smells like cookies. Now we're going to go in to number 12. We've got the new A Helping Hand hand cream, and this apparently smells like toffee nut. Wow, and it's in a keyring too. Oh my goodness, this is just getting better and better and better. Looking for number 13, might be unlucky for some, but it's not unlucky for me. Oh my god, I love these. We've got another one of the Cheek of It liquid highlighters. This is in the shade Dare to Dream, and it's gold. 14. Creamy and creamy. This is a lip serum with the popping balls. I love the formula of these. And this is in the shade Milk and Cookies. Shade Flavour Milk and Cookies. Okay, number 15 in the PLouise Advent Calendar. We're halfway there. Oh! We've got a new shade of the Off the Record palette. This is the water activated liner palette. You know I've been nuts for the originals when they come out. But this one's got shimmers and it's all like nice burgundy colours and stuff. I think this will be really gorgeous for like some festive looks. What I love about this is it's stuff that we already love from PLouise, but just like new colour stories. 16. She feels big. The Milk and Cookies Plumping Moisturiser. I've seen this all over TikTok, I think. Not in Milk and Cookies, but in like the fluffy pancakes. But Milk and Cookies, well, I hope they've got the foaming cleanser as well. That would make me so happy. Number 17. Are you joking? We've got 3 shades of the Cheek of It Loose Powder Blush. I think I'm one of the only people on this planet who uses these as part of my everyday makeup routine. I love the blusher formula. It's like the little powder puff blusher applicator, and it's so nice for that really flawless blurred out application. So to have 3 new shades of this has me very excited. 18 now, which is here. Okay, what have we got in? No. 3 mini glossy and glazed body glows. Wow, she did not mess around. Another big box. Another big boy. What have we got in here? A coffee cup. So, oh, there's stuff in this. Hold on, stop it. What have we got? Oh my god, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the PLouise Bright Pencils. I love PLouise Bright Pencils. This makes me very happy. I'll tell you what's number 20. Okay, so here we've got 3 new shades of Rumour Base. And oh my goodness, there's like some brown, a brown for a smoky eye. Wow. 21 now. And that is a lip scrub in what flavour? Cinnamon swirl. PLouise lip scrubs are elite. You can eat them. Like, literally, I do eat them. So number 22, let's see what we've got in here. This is another big boy. I think it's our palette or something. The Rosy Railway blush palette. I love a PLouise blush palette, and this has got some beautiful colours in there. 3. I know what this is. Wished for the foaming cleanser. I got the foaming cleanser. Period. 4. This is our Christmas Eve. What have we got here? Fresh's Cargo brush set. We all know that PLouise slays a brush set, so I'm loving more for the brush collection because you can never, ever, 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 ever have too many makeup brushes. But I'm guessing, definitely not least, I still believe palette for face and eyes. I love a PLouise book palette. Just neutral tones. This is like the ultimate neutral palette, and then some pinks at the back. Wow, she smashed it. But in my opinion, this advent calendar is absolutely sick. I think for the price, you're getting 25, but actually more than 25 full-size products in here, because some of them have got multiples. I think it's a lovely Christmas gift for a makeup collector, someone who wants to get into makeup because full kit. Yeah, I think this is a really slay advent. I think all the haters can shut their mouth. If you don't like it, don't buy it. Period.